Biar ku tulis semua perjalanan hidupku.
Apa kabar everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna react to Ernie her last performance. So I hope she slay. I know she is, but you never know. Okay, so Cinta, let's go. Yes, everybody knows she slayed that. The hair. Honey, I'm paying attention to everything. Ernie, girl, I want her to have long hair more often because I love her, the hair. She looked like a mermaid. I was like, Ariel from Malaysia, bitch. Yes. Anyways, Cinta, everybody, terima kasih for watching. If you guys want me to review another singer, Malaysian, let me know and I will do it. I enjoyed it. You know I love Ernie. Ernie, for me, I'm not a reactor. I'm a fan of Ernie, so I'm reacting as a fan because I'm a fan, okay? Cinta, more Malaysian reactions on the screen or K-pop if you're into it. Let's watch it and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up for more. Bye.
Hit you with that.